Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Handmade by Gardena. Sorry that my video is late today, but I wasn't able to record yesterday because I didn't feel very well. So I recorded once already this morning and it recorded upside down and my phone wouldn't edit it. So this is the second time I'm recording it. So hopefully it takes. So let's get started. This is hashtag 12 days of Digis 2020, and this is day 7 with Cara Brandon Creations and Dear Julie Julie. This is Cara Brandon Creations, and she has some tags, a pocket, a postcard, and a smaller postcard here with Santa on it, and some small ephemera. And everything is a lot of blue. Here's Dear Julie Julie, day 7. She's got a library pocket with a library card. She's got a label here with a Santa and some holly berry and a Santa here label. And she has beautiful ephemera here that to me looks like blue icicles. I just love this. And it has greetings here with Santa here and holly berries in the middle. This is the page spread that I've completed, which I showed you how to make it this morning, but it didn't turn out. So the first thing I did is I did a layered tag. So I took both of Cara Brandon's tags and took the small one and glued on top the larger one with her label and put December the 25th on it and December 25th, 2020 down here with her small digital here, and put a light blue brad at the top. And here I took Dear Julie Julie Santa with some red star brads, put here at the top, put the number 7 in red for day 7. Here I took some scrapbook paper and made a pocket for the tags to slide into of Cara Brandon with some green brads here at the top with some red and white ticking. Let me put it down so the light, there we go, with some red and white ticking and the Santa Claus image there on top of it. And down here below we have some lace, and you pull it out and we have a secret journaling spot with Cara Brandon's pocket. You just turn it over and it's a secret journaling spot. And you just tuck it back in there, and then there's a secret journaling spot. And how you make that is you take your scrapbook paper and you would take 2 pieces and fold it in half and cut out your pocket the size that you want it and cut it. And you would cut you out a thumb hole, and you would have 2 pieces that was exactly the same size. Okay, on the bottom here, say this was your bottom, you would glue along here, here, and here. So the sides and the top is where you would glue to put down on your page. You would leave the bottom open so you could put your secret tuck spot in. And you can put a tab or some lace under there, which I like it with the lace because then it looks like it just goes with that pocket. So then whenever you glue the pocket onto your page, you would just, because your bottom is left open, so your secret tuck spot would go in here like this, and then when you glue it down onto your page, you would glue just like your regular pocket, here, here, and here. But make sure you took your secret journaling spot out so you wouldn't glue it on, and you would just put it on to the page just like a normal pocket, and then there would be your pocket. So it gives you a regular pocket and a secret journaling spot. So I think that is really cute. So that's what I did with Cara's pocket. Instead of making it a pocket, I made it a secret journaling spot and used with Julie's digital of the Santa and the label, and then Cara's 2 other tags, and then use the brads here. On the other side, I took Dear Julie Julie's digital. This says greetings. That looks like the blue icicles to me. And added 4 brads in each corner. Made it on like a side tuck. And then Cara Brandon's 2 postcards. I put a brad here at the corner. This was a red one. And I put her green stamps here on the bigger postcard. And her 2.89 cents in her label here on her smaller postcards. And then you can journal on the back of this for secret journaling spot. And then on the back of it, and you just tuck it into the pocket. Okay, then for Dear Julie Julie's library card and pocket, I turned it into a security envelope. So what I done is I took a piece of coffee dyed paper and added it on the back here, and I just glued it on the inside of this, built up a couple of pieces of thick cardstock, and then put some coffee dyed circle punch. This is a 1-inch punch. Put some brads on it, and then I put a 1-inch circle punch behind the brads here and here to keep anything from blocking it. And then you tie your string, and I always do 3 knots just to be safe. And you do the same thing here. Before you glue your pocket in, you put another one of these down, and it keeps it from anything sliding in and out of your pocket. And then I put her library card in there and dated December 25th, 2020 in it, and put down in there. And then you just wrap around for a security envelope, and you just put in this pocket. So that is my journaling spread for today. So I will put in the description box below Cara Brandon and Dear Julie Julie's YouTube videos channels, and the other elves that's doing the 12 days of Digis. And if you're doing the 12 days of Digis, please put the hashtag 12 days of Digis 2020 in your description box and in your title, so everyone can watch your videos. And I'll also put a link to the other elves that are playing along. And I want to wish everyone a good day. I hope everyone is healthy, happy, and safe. And I will see everyone tomorrow with day 8. And we have possibly an extra page tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.